What an opportunity! Just over 28 acres with a live creek and no restrictions. Currently has Southern Utilities water, Suddenlink, and electricity on property. There are also 3 septic systems. Perfect opportunity for development or generational family residences. Mostly level with gentle rolling hills. There is a recorded easement to access the property and a 200-foot deep water well, pump not connected. The 2-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home conveys with the property and has a new roof. So many possibilities. Come see. Come buy.